guys, it's your wing lady and I'm back with another lovely video. Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Today, by the title of the video, you already know. There are some fragrance or perfumes that are everywhere. They are just in your faces every time you try to pass across Instagram. Like they're everywhere. And I'm just like, what is the hype all about? Although some of these fragrances I might have perceived at one point or the other, and probably I was like, meh. But today, for you guys, I went ahead and did a haul. So I'm going to bring in some fragrance world perfumes that are everywhere. So if you have someone that haven't smelled this perfume before and you're wondering whether to buy or not to buy, well, let us unbox it together. So I have, this is Barakkat Satin Oud. That's one. I have Dolores Perfume. Yeah, this is another one. I have the popular Ophelia. Yes, you see that? Yes, I have Ophelia. I have Berry's Weekend Violet. These are some of the best fragrance of bestsellers, and some of them I haven't even smelled yet. So let's just see. This is the new Berry's Weekend. You guys know I love Berry's Weekend Pink Edition. In fact, I loved it so much that I went ahead and bought a backup bottle. I told you guys I was definitely going to get a backup bottle of Berry's Weekend Pink Edition. This is my backup bottle. Although we are not unboxing today because I still have the original one. I must not run out of Berry's Weekend. Because possible, I will never run out of Berry's Weekend perfume. This is my backup bottle. So that's that. And I also have Intense Speech. You guys have been recommending this to me, and I was like, let's see. What's the hype? Let's see. So I got this. So which one should we unbox first? This is Berry's Weekend Violet. This is Dolores. This is Ophylia. And this is Barakkat Satin Oud. So probably let us start from Barakkat Satin Oud. So let's see how it smells. First impression. You guys know I will always come back and drop review video for you guys. And I tell you exactly how it is. No lies here. Okay? Well, I do hope I like this one because the first Barakat I got, oh, of course, the sleeve. The first Barakat I got, the one with the original Barakat with 540. Oh, I'm not such a big fan. But this one though, Barakat boxes are so complex. Okay, I got it. It smells even before you actually spray it. Oh yeah, guys, there we go. Okay, here we go. Barakkat Satin Oud. Oh yes. Fragrance world, let us see what you have done. Oh, atomizer is really generous. It sprays like generous. Let me wait for it to calm down because you know fragrance world perfumes, they can have that burst of alcohol right off the top, so you just have to wait for it to calm down. You just have to wait. I can't really smell. I thought it would be strong. I thought it would be really, really strong. I can't smell much. It's not jumping right out at me. I was thinking Satin Oud, the way everybody says, Barakkat Satin Oud. Like the smell will jump right at me. It's not jumping. And it's oud. I can barely catch any oud. Okay, it's just nice. It's fresh. It has some sort of lavender in there. It has some sort of green notes. But I'm not really getting the oud. They called it Barakkat Satin Oud. I'm supposed, maybe because I'm used to a lot of more strong oud. I was thinking the oud would jump right at me like animalic oud. I'm not getting a lot of the oud. It's sweet. It has some sort of lavender in there. It's not giving much. It's not like projecting forward like I would have thought. I can barely smell much. Just some lavender, some green notes, some sweetness. Tiny little bit of oud. Tiniest oud. Don't worry, I'll come back with a review for you guys on this perfume. Just subscribe to my channel. That was Barakkat Satin Oud. This is Ophelia. You guys know Ophelia is everywhere on Instagram. And when something keeps getting pushed in your face, you're like, what the hell? So I went out and I got Ophelia. Now let us try Ophelia and see if it is actually worth the hype. There's actually new variants. There's one called Ophylia Onyx and there's one called Ophelia Legend. I want to try those. And if you have, please tell me how they smell. If I can find them, I'm going to try them. So this is Ophelia. The very popular Ophelia. Here we go. The cap doesn't kill, so don't even dare try to hold it like this. Your bottle is going to drop. Ophelia, how do you smell? Okay, let's wait for Ophelia to calm down. Ophelia, baby. I can smell that. I can smell that. I can smell that. I can smell that. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. This is why you guys like Ophelia, isn't it, you guys? It smells very florally. The first thing you get is florals and honey. Ophelia is sweet. Not super sweet. It's not a fruity sweet perfume. It's a florally sweet perfume. Oh, wow. It is gorgeous. Ophelia is gorgeous. It is kind of sweet right off the top, but it is flowery. And you definitely catch some honey in here. Yeah, something smells delicious in there, like honey, addicting. This is good. Ophelia is good. Ophelia is good. Yes, get your hands on this. It is worth the hype. It is worth the hype. I love that one. Then next we have Dolores Perfume. Dolores. The dupe for Marc Jacob Decadence. Okay, let us see. You know, if it is worth the hype, I will tell you it is worth the hype. If it is not, I will tell you. Oh, wow. I love the wow. It has this velvety feel. Oh, my God. It's luxurious. Yes. I like your packaging, Dolores. Now, tell me how you smell, Dolores. Wow. That is beautiful. Look at the tassel. Lovely. Lovely. Oh, okay. The cap keys very well here. But still, don't try to lift it with the cap. It's still not safe. I have a lot of anxiety when I see people holding bottles with the cap. I'm like, hey. Okay. This is Dolores. Let us see how Dolores smells. Dolores Perfume. Wow. It is unique. It has something creamy in here. It is not too sweet right off the top. And it is mostly florally and a little bit woody. Creamy, sweet, not too sweet. It's not fruity sweet. Florally and woody. A little bit in the background, I smell something woody, you know, something strong. No wonder. These perfumes are mass appealing and so sensual. Oh my God. Yes. Dolores is sensual. I think it has musk. Yes, I'm going to be loving this. Yes. Yes. Yes, what next? This is very weekend violet. This is not pink edition. This is violet. Hey, violet. I hope you are as sweet as pink edition. Because pink edition, you guys know. I've talked about it millions of times on this channel. I'm always raving. So let us see how violet smells. Yeah. Oh yeah, I have so much expectations. I have such high expectations. I hope I don't get disappointed. This is wow. She's beautiful. She is beautiful. She is beautiful. Yes. Nothing here. Okay. Please be good. Please be good. Please be good. Please be good. Alcohol. I guess I smelled too soon. Okay, let's go again. It smells like scandal. Yes. Scandal. It doesn't smell like scandal by night because scandal by night is intense. The honey in there is intense, but this one smells like scandal by Jean Paul Gaultier. It is not that sweet, unfortunately. It is nice, but it is not as sweet as Berry's Weekend Pink Edition. I was hoping that Berry's Weekend Violet will be an even sweeter version of Berry's Weekend Pink Edition, but no. It is not juicy, sweet, syrupy like Pink Edition. It smells like scandal. It has a lot of honey in there. It has fruit right off the top, so it's definitely sweet. But if you have scandal, you don't need this. You don't need this. It smells exactly the same. Exactly the same. I'll say it's a complete dupe. But it's not bad. It's not bad. It's just that I was expecting so much. Last but not the least, we have Intense Peach by Fragrance World. This is apparently the dupe for Bitter Peach by Tom Ford. Here we go. Intense Peach. Here we go. There's another one that we have on the market now. I think it's by Maison Alhambra. They have Bright Peach and Lovely Cherry. Those are dupes for Bitter Peach and Lush Cherry by Tom Ford. But I got Intense Peach because it's gotta be intense, right? Yeah! Loving the bottle. So far, this is my favorite bottle. I mean, what? Love it, love it, love it. Oh, yeah. Luxurious packaging. Ooh, yes. Fragrance World. Now, let us smell the juice. Let us smell the juice. Let us smell the juice. The juice, 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 the juice. You guys, okay. Allow it to settle. Don't go in immediately. The alcohol. I can smell it. The sillage is powerful because I can smell it all the way here without even bringing it close to my nose. So sillage is amazing. The alcohol is still there, so it bothers me a little bit. Let me allow it dry down for a little bit more. It is not as juicy, fruity as I would have thought. It is not even that sweet. It is definitely peachy. It definitely catch the peach vibes going on in here. The peach is always there. But you get something. Something creamy as well. Aside from the peach that you get, like definitely catching the peach, you get something creamy, like some sort of lactonic note in here. I'm going to review it specially for you guys. And you know what, guys? Comment down below right now which one you want to see a review of first. So I'm going to just get right into it and start my, I have to wear it for a while. Look at the performance, the sillage, before I come back here with a review video for you guys. It is definitely fruity. It is sweet, but it is not that sweet. It has some sort of lactonic note in there that sort of cuts down on the sweetness. So don't expect it to be very sweet. So far, so good. Of all Fragrance World perfumes, I think Berry's Weekend Pink Edition is still the sweetest, in my opinion, so far. That is why I can never run out. My backup bottle is right here. Should we unbox? We don't need to unbox it. Guys, thank you so much for watching up until this level. Now is a great time to subscribe if you are not subscribed already. Guys, this is so fun. This is so fun. If you have other perfumes that you want me to try, please comment down below right now in the comment section and I'll get back to you. And until next time, wait, like the video. Do not leave this video if you do not like. Until next time, ciao.